अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम जो टॉपिक डिस्कस करेंगे वो है जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स। तो इसमें क्या होता है कि जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड क्रॉप्स, जिन्हें जीएम क्रॉप्स भी कहते हैं, आर प्लांट्स यूज्ड इन एग्रीकल्चर the DNA of which has been modified using genetic engineering methods. Plants' genomes can be engineered by physical methods or by use of agrobacterium for the delivery of sequences hosted in the DNA binary vectors. In most cases, the aim is to introduce a new trait to plant which does not occur naturally in the species. Examples in food crops include resistance to certain pests, diseases, spoilage, resistance to chemical treatments, for example, resistance to herbicides, or improving the nutrients profile of the crop. Example in non-food crops include production of pharmacological agents, biofuels, and other industrially useful goods, as well as for biomeditation. Farmers have widely adopted GM technology, acreage increased from 1.7 million hectares in 1996 to 185.1 million hectares in 2016. Some 12% of global cropland as of 2016. Major crops soybeans, maize, canola, and cotton. Traits consist of herbicides tolerance 95.9 million hectares, insects resistance 25.2 million hectares, or both 58.5 million hectares. In 2015, 53.6 million of genetically modified maize were under cultivation. Almost 1/3 of the maize crops genetically modified maize outperformed its producers. Yield was 5.6 to 24.5% higher, with less mycotoxin minus 28.8%, fumigation minus 30.6%, and trichosins minus 36.5%. Non-target organisms were unaffected except for bacterium represented by a parasite of European corn borer, the target of Lepidoptera activity maize. Biogeochemical parameters such as ligand contact did not vary, while biomass decomposition was higher. In 2014, meta-analysis concluded that GM technology adoption has reduced chemical pesticide use by 37%, increased crop yields by 22%, and increased farmer profits by 68%. This reduction in pesticides use has been ecologically beneficial, but benefits may be reduced by overuse. Yield gains and pesticides reduction are larger of insects resistant crops than the herbicides tolerant crops. Yield and profit gains are higher in developing countries than in developed countries. Pesticide poisonings were reduced by 2.9 and 2.4 and 9 million cases per year in India alone. Widespread introduction of Bt cotton led to 25% decline in farmer suicides in India. A 2011 review of relationship between BT cotton adoption and farmer suicides in India found that available data show number evidence of farmer suicides and that BT cotton technology has been very effective overall in India. तो यही था बस. थैंक यू.